Hey, what's up, guys? We're at the new car wash. We're gonna check it out. They're giving free car washes until Sunday, I think, or at least up till 2,500 cars, whichever comes first. I can't remember what they were saying on the Facebook post, but this looks pretty cool. Big line, but it seems to move really, really fast. We're almost approaching getting in already, and we were clear at the back of the line just not even 5 minutes ago. So I'm gonna check this out. Let's see what this dude has to say. There's some of the prices right there. The car's kind of blocking a little bit. I don't know if you can see those. You get the works, $18, $34 a month. Ultimate, super, and quality. And we're getting ready to pull up here. I'm gonna talk to this dude. Hey, how you doing?
Welcome to Tommy's Express.
Hey, we're doing a YouTube video. Is it okay we put you on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're just checking out the new place.
Okay. Have they talked to you about this at all?
No.
Okay, so what we're doing is for our grand opening, we're giving away our Works, which is our best car wash.
Okay.
$18 single, $34.99 a month if you have that subscription.
Okay.
If you scan this QR code right here with your phone,
Okay.
it's going to take you to our 30-day free trial, which is going to be this one. We're going to offer that for the 30-day free trial, so you can come in here a limited amount of times for that first month.
Okay.
And if you would like to cancel or downgrade, we have these other packages available for you.
All right, cool, man.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Nice guy. You got a little sign. Here we go. Look at that. Already going in. It's not taking long at all for this place. Just look around here. You coming from the backside, and then you enter out onto Vine Street. Got all your vacuums and everything back here, which is pretty cool. It's like they're still doing some landscaping and everything, getting the place ready to go. There it is. There's the line we were in. Like I said, we were clear at the back of the line. It took like 5 minutes. And we're rocking and rolling already. Alright, we're real close now. Wants me to pull forward, pull forward, pull forward. Alright, car's in neutral. We're going through. You're on a conveyor belt at this point. It's kind of hard to see. Getting all soapy. Let's see what we got in the sunroof here. Oh, this feels weird. This feels weird to be just in neutral and it just taking you along. You got this shot through the sunroof, can't see anything. More fuzzy. Wow, that's crazy. We're almost out already. It smells really good. It says relax. It says to go. Alright, so we're gonna go. Let's give us the go ahead. Geez, that was fast. We should get in line and do it again. All right, that's the new car wash. Thanks, everybody.